friends, what's up? This is Arcade from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to show how to change or replace AirTag's battery. AirTag's use standard coin-based CR2032 batteries, which are designed to last at least a year before needing to be replaced. No one should need to swap out a battery just yet, but when you do need a new battery, it's easy to put in a new one. It's worth noting that CR2032 batteries are common batteries that can be purchased on Amazon for about $1 per battery, and you can also get them at many retail stores. Once you have a new battery, it's pretty easy to change it. Let me show you how it's done the right way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, press down on the stainless steel backing of the AirTag. As you press down, rotate counterclockwise until the cover stops rotating. Pull apart the two halves of the AirTag. Then take out the old battery and replace it with the new battery in the same orientation, which is positive side up. You will hear a chiming sound when the battery is seated correctly. Replace the stainless steel bottom of the AirTag and make sure the three tabs on the cover align with the slots on the AirTag. Finally, rotate the cover clockwise back in place until it stops. That's all there is to it. So that's the way you can change the battery of your AirTag. If you have found this guide helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips and tricks. Till then, have a great time. Bye-bye.